Hello and welcome to this March 29th, 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Bowley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we are featuring JASO Holdings, ticker symbol JASO. This is over an $800 million technology company. You can see from the blue line here, this uptrend line, it's been rising since the October low. We came all the way back down here about a week ago and tested it after putting in a pretty nice run in December and into early January. JASO had run from about the 375 area all the way up to almost $7, so nearly doubling in about 5 or 6 weeks. And over the last few months, you can see we've made our way all the way back down, hitting this trend line and also putting in pretty significant near-term price support down at around the $4.30 area. So any kind of a move trip back down close to this trend line I think would be a great entry point. And even where the stock's currently sitting, you can see that the MACD is starting to turn back up here. If we can get a bullish centerline crossover on the MACD, that would be very indicative of some increasing bullish momentum and would likely carry the price of the stock higher. Now, on any upside move, we would be looking for our initial target to be up here around the $5.55 area. That's where the stock opened back in mid-February on this reaction high. So we believe we're going to eventually go back and at least retest that area and maybe just move in this sideways consolidating type pattern for a while. I do like the fact that the volume has started to pick up again here on this move to the upside. You can see a lot of this action that took place here back in the middle part of March to the downside was occurring with relatively light volume. Now the volume reappears and the stock starts moving higher again. So it does look like maybe we're seeing a bit of accumulation on the part of JASO. So near term, current price down to the moving averages, even depending on how much room you want to give and whether or not you want to build this position over time, you could go all the way down to this trend line. So from the current price down to about the 450 level would not be a bad area to accumulate the stock. Look for maybe selling up around the 555 area, and then to the downside, I would use either the trend line, which comes in close to the 450 area, or possibly, if you want to give it a little bit more room, maybe down to price support at $4.30, but a close beneath that level, and I would be very careful. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at investedcentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.